Hei hi akaswani aizolani chanchin thar achiar tu civil ruata tuna changa hun reilo te jing daria ta changkhian Lok Sabha in thlan vote chiar chan anidon aizola special court prevention of corruption chuan diklo takami puisum mangapu CADC chairman Luile Afapa Baka deputy chairman Luite chu thiamlo chantirin kumli jail tang turle chengnoi thum theu choi turin a hrem nakin daria ta rampuma Lok Sabha in thlan vote la chiar turin ramchung hun tina in pei anito School Education Department le National Book Trust ten thodun na tur thuthung anziak tuna changa hun reilo te jing daria ta changkhian Lok Sabha in thlan vote chiar chan anidona vote chiar tur hian Mizoram in puachana pe felvek anitoa tun parliament in thlan puya Mizoram returning officer Najuk Kumari chuan jing dar nga vote chiar tur te duty na tur sik soi fel anidon ti nimin khana soya vote chiar hi jing daria ta chan anidon thu po soin vote chiar hunatana ECI in counting observer som paruk aruata point Mizoram ron thlengkim toin aizola pangalung leya panile district danga pakhat thewin an duty donani ati returning officer chuan vote hi round thuma chiar anidonatiya Mizoram pumpuitan ETPBMS sangni zaruk somnga paruk don ni in postal balota sangni za pasari don anito atibok Lok Sabha in thlan vote chiar polin akaswani aizol chuan special election broadcast arua mana voin vote chiar ni ai hian jingdar sarile achan ve jingdar kole minute somnga pangale dar som pakhale minute somnga ate chanchin thar chiar anianga chonhulama dar khatle minute somnga ba ka tlaidar rukle achan ve ate chiar ani bokang Lok Sabha in thlan result live asoi hona hun chu tlaidar thuma tanga tlaidar li le tlaidar nga le minute somni atanga dar ruk thleng mithiam som big ten an mangdon bok ani Akaswani Delhi apo special bulletin le live discussion chu jingdar sari atanga zandar som thleng aum don bok ani
Election results of the world's largest democracy by the oldest and the most trusted broadcaster of the country.
On 4th of June, every minute's update of vote counting from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Know who took the lead and who trailed.
Accurate information from every seat, who won and who lost.
Listen to what we the people of India decided.
Tune into Akashwani Gold and other Akashwani channels for Lok Nirnay 2024.
Safe Chitelui Coordination Committee chuan chairman Pulaldu Omahovin Nimin Khan an thukhoma tuinhati pundan tur le luidunga nungcha te ven himdan tur an soi ho thutkhomna hian tuinhna apun theina tur le bol hlo lut na salu tukti tlemdan tur ba ka lui kuang ven himdan tur te le luya nungcha te ven himdan tur ten soi hova hengatan hian project duangin nodal department environment forest and climate change in bo zui sen tia chitelui po tu khopui chunga tanga luang lut lui te dang veng himle ti thiang hlimna lama chuan UDNPA lamin bo zui se anti bokani Safe Chitelui Comprehensive Action Plan Phase 1 kalpuizo tonia Phase 2 angin tuna hian kalchhole mek ni in he Phase 2 Action Plan duang tu hi niriwam tespur te anni Mizoram Sarkar chuan da Chitelui Prevention and Control of Water Pollution Act 2018 alo pass toa chu dan chuan khautakin Chitelui hi ahum hala helui tibol hlo tu te hi warrant tel kherlova man thei ani ba ka bel deal theilo ania Sarkar department ten anlo tibol hlo ani chuan chu department a head chu amo phurtua ngai tur ani Aizola Special Court Prevention of Corruption chuan diklo taka mi puisum mangapu Chakma Autonomous District Council CADC chairman Luile Afapa Baka Deputy Chairman Luite chu thiamlo chantirin kumli jail tang turle cheng noi thum theu choi turin a hrem Special Judge Dr. HTC Lorin Chana chuan CADC Chairman Lui Kali Kumar Tongchagia Afapa Julius Tongchagia le Deputy Chairman Lui Purna Muni Chakma ta chu Zirtobni Khan Eiruk thuboya thiamlo chantir toa nimina hremna ti chua cheng noi thum choi turle kumli chung jail tang turin a hrema poisa choi tur hi an pe theilo ani chuan thlakodang an tan beldona nimin khan jela hroi ngal anni Kali Kumar Tongchagia hi CADC chairman ani laya dan kala Afapa Julius Tongchagia na athun ba ka a hlok na tura thil diklo taktia pu ania heta man rutang kai tok purna muni chakma le diklo taka mi puisum ama mi mal hlokna atana mangtu Julius Tangchagia te chu court hian thiam lo achan tirta ani Chief Minister Pulaldu Oma Hovin Chief Minister Conference Halla Zoram Medical College ti mason zel dan tur nimin khan rel ania Chief Minister chuan tun hnaya ruale thlipuya wanga ZMC in harsana atok chu poi ati thua soya engkim tluang taka akal le thuai theinan thei top alo chua pui thu le tun thenga angai ven zui reng thu asoyani ZMC thoktu te point disaster management and rehabilitation department le department dangten ZMC harsana to te chu an zui thaleti Chief Minister hi an hril ani he thut khoma hian National Medical Council endikna an machon mek dan te online inspection le CCTV inspection akal mek thu te tarlan ania ZMC be chan helipad le fire station siam thuai chungchang te po an soya ZMC na thoktu society hnuaya laktele Mizoram Sarkar hnuaya lakte fel faizo ka enkol dan tur po soin kumsang ni som pakua a azir chiang tu committee in report an lo siam to te soilan ania ZMC thoktu te hi Mizoram Sarkar hnuaya lak lu vek thain thu khom chuan a hria Council of Ministers thunei na ani awangin Council of Ministers a ngai tua tura thlen ni se tin anrel ani thut khoma hian Health Minister Pilorin Puile ZMC ho tu te ba ka Finance DPNAR Health and Family Welfare le Law and Judicial ho tu te antel ani tun hnaya Aizawl Trinity Hospital thanga phalna mu mal nei lowa lei alai wanga leimin na satak athena wangle chiana tamtak athena wangin pudevet lal mangaya Chanmari Aizawl chu an tho mek ti top tura hriat tir ani PCLal du zuali subdivisional magistrate Aizawl Sadar subdivision Aizawl chuan Nimin Khan thu chua hisiamin pudevet lal mangaya Chanmari chuan Trinity Hospital thanglama thunei tu te atanga phalna mu mal omlova lei alai wangin me ni somni pariata leimin athen pha he leimin hian Assam type in pakhat chia in RCC building Pilal thang pui in chu ati cheboka hengba ka hian Trinity Hospital transformer man mek chu ati chia a damdo in hian eng an nei lo pha ani thu chuwa chuan pudevet lal mangai hi an ha tholai mek top san tur le ati chiat zongzong seng hoi turin hriat tira hengba ka hian link road bul thuta retaining wall siam turin a hriat tira hengba ka hian in ati chiat te siam thatur le in ati chiat te siam thatura thu pek chuin heng siam thatnan hian ni som thum hun ape ani chanchin thar hi kaswani Aizawl atanga puan ani tukin jingdaria tatang hian ram chunga Lok Sabha in thanpuya vote la te chiar tran ani dona ruam mana engkim pei fel vek ani toa hemi rual hian Andhra Pradesh le Odisha a assembly by election vote la te po chiar ngal ani dona ni kumsang ni som ni pali Lok Sabha in thanpuya hian April na som pakua tanga June ni khat inkar chung khan tho sare in vote thak buat sai ania election commission chuan vote chiar chhodan din hun chu ECI website results.eci.gov.in ale voter helpline app a te tar chua zelani tur thua soya voter helpline app hi Google Play Store a download mai thei ani Nimin Khan School Education Department le National Book Trust te chuan New Delhi a tho dun na tur thuthung an ziak he alin rem na hi ol samzo ka zirlai te ban phaka le khabu chop chuana tur digital library platform Rashtriya e Pustakaleya ania he huna thu soitu higher education secretary ke Sanjay Murthy chuan Rashtriya e Pustakaleya chu chunzan zoma man tangkai thei ani tur thosoya hei hi khoi muna cheng tan po le khabu hlut zia ti zual tu tur ani thu asoya hemi mang hian state tamtak le khabu tha omna library ban phak lote har sana sukiang tu tur ani atia kumni kumthum aliam le chuan le khabu sing chuang chu tongza chuangin a chiar thei to don ani atibok Supreme Court chuan sarkar lai pui chu kholum kara Delhi khopuya tuitlak cham chungchanga Upper Yamuna River Board thut khom man mo ko turin hriatira heta hian Delhi Haryana le Himachal Pradesh te po tel turati anni Supreme Court a vacation bench lua tu justice pani PK Mishra le VK Vishwanathan chuan he thut khom hu June ninga ko turin thupek an chua thut khom thu chuak chu kota chuan June ni ruka ngai tuale ani dona akai noi state te ti turpo heta hian tuk ngal ani don ani chanchin thar puan ti top main chanchin tlang pui tuna tanga hun rei lo te jing daria ta tangkhian Lok Sabha in thlan vote chiar tran ani don Aizola Special Court Prevention of Corruption chuan diglo takami pui sum hanga pu CDC chairman Hluile Afapa Baka Deputy Chairman Hlui ta chu thiam lo chantirin kumli jail tang tur le cheng noi thum theu choi turin a hrem nakin dar riat a rampuma Lok Sabha in thlan vote la chiar turin ramchung huntina in pei ani to School Education Department le National Book Trust ten tho dun na tur thuthlung an ziak chuti jong chu chanchin thar kan puan thei chuani